everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So now this is a special day. We have decorate a lantern and I am so excited. It is the Valentine's Day edition and I cannot wait to get started. Okay, now we decorate a lantern. That's being hosted by the Grace Life DIY home decor, and that's myself. It is the Valentine's Day edition. Like I said, I was really excited, and we do have a guest host, and her name is Connie's Creative Creations. Okay, so we have quite a bit of people hosting with me in this collab. So let me go ahead and mention them. Again, the guest host is Connie's Creative Creations. And then we have At Home with Lisa, Annalise Cupboard, Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle, Creations by Simone, Marlene How-Tos, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Design with Emma, Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle, and DIY with Aria. Make sure and use the hashtag decoratealantern23 and let's jump right to it, guys. Now I'm going to be linking all of the hosts down below in the description box along with our channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, because you don't want to miss Decorate a Lantern. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Okay, so if we head on over to the video, this is where I'm going to display the 3 lanterns that I am choosing to decorate. And I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I make some progress here with these lanterns, and then I'll come back in. Now with this little black one, which by the way, I got this one at Walmart. They're so cute and they have different sizes. Well, this was a great price for this little one. I don't even think it cost more than $12. But I have one of those LED, candles. And then I just decided to pull out the pink hearts out of that package that had the pink and the red and just place it surrounding that candle. And that's pretty much it for this little lantern. Then we're going to move on to the next one. There's my Nala in the background. She always has to make an appearance, guys. I decided also to just use one of the bling vases that I had and display some florals for you. I'm always displaying florals. Okay, now that center lantern, I believe I got that at a reduced price at Home Goods, and that's an LED candle. But the one next to it, which is my biggest lantern, that one I got at Home Goods also. And I'm not really sure exactly what the problem was with that one, but I got it for a steal. I'm not sure the price, but it was so inexpensive. So the only thing I did there was just place a cylinder vase that I purchased from the Salvation Army, so that was thrifted. And then that big candle I purchased from there also. So that was this was all budget friendly, by the way. And the lace tablecloth that I have on that coffee table was also a thrifted item. And so now we're gonna get to decorating these lanterns, guys. So I think everything came out absolutely beautiful and so romantic. So the candles are lit. Let's head on over to the reveal. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank Connie's Creative Creations for guest hosting in this collab, along with all of the beautiful hosts that I had with me. You guys did an amazing job. Okay, so I think this was all displayed so beautifully. It looks gorgeous, so, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.